So preserving summer's bounty for the winter meals is one of my most favorite activities, and today I would like to share with you the easiest way to preserve carrots. What I like to make is fried carrots, and they're just like hash browns but made from carrots, and they are so good. So this is a great way to use up small, damaged, and broken carrots that are not going to store in the root cellar. So let me show you a couple of carrots So we grow about 2,000 pounds of carrots, and that's a lot. We have lots of beds of carrots, and not every carrot is perfect. I hate to admit it, but I don't grow all perfect carrots. So sometimes we get these big, beautiful carrots, but they split open on us. And it's like, well, this is a lot of material, and I really hate to waste this much material on the carrots. So what we do is we go ahead and we scrub this all clean, and then I just take the shredder and I shred the entire thing, and then I just take that and I pack it down into a freezer bag. Usually like a quart size is good for 2 people. And I just freeze the carrot shreds, and then in the wintertime I take them out. I can thaw them either the night before, or I can cook them from frozen, but it's a little faster if they're thawed. And then I just fry those in some oil just like you would a potato, and they'll brown up, and they taste a lot like a hash brown, but they're really good. So if you have broken carrots or carrots like this that are split open, or things that just are not going to hold through the wintertime, this is the perfect way to use them up, and they don't get wasted. So if you'd like to learn other ways to preserve carrots and more about preserving your harvest through the winter, go ahead and get our Preserving Fruits and Vegetables ebook. We have listed all the best ways that we preserve over 25 different vegetables. So in this guide, you will learn which vegetable does best in which preservation method. Should you can it, dehydrate it, freeze it, or root cellar? So which vegetable do you do which way to get the best results? So if you do it the wrong way, the vegetable may not hold through the winter, or it may taste really bad. So you can get our Preserving Fruits and Vegetables ebook for free when you sponsor the show. We give it away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Homemade and Organic Pest Control ebook. And this is for anyone who will sponsor the show at the $8.50 level. And the money that we raise from the sponsorship goes to keeping the show free to everyone around the world. And I feel that everyone should have access to learning how to grow food for themselves and their families. And by sponsoring the show, you are part of keeping this education free and feeding people around the world. And if you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening or how to successfully preserve your harvest, you can go ahead and go to our website, thelivingfarm.org, and there you can get more articles, videos, and e-courses that can help you on your way to success. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.